Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the stock of the day. There are actually several, but I have to take a look at, well, I don't have to, I want to take a look at this one, SOL. So this is from the AI, all right? This is a short for the AI. The alert was at 585 with the stop at 611. Look what happened. This is a 15-minute chart, hardly any action up, maybe a little topping tail there. All the way down to $5. That's a tremendous percentage move. I mean, from 5.85 to $5 before it finally had a little bit of a pop. You might have taken some off here, but then, I mean, it's still continuing down. But that is not the only one. I mean, SWBI was another one from the AI. You can see, you're not seeing it. You see a down arrow. You're not seeing it because I typed it in. I didn't click on the alert. But another fantastic short. This is an earnings play, Smith & Wesson. Another one. I think the alert came around 17, 16, all the way down. Of course, the market is in bad shape right now. I want to show you another one though. This is not from the AI, but DocQ. I don't typically trade stocks that are, over, believe it or not, $20, let alone 30. But this one, DocQ, they released earnings after hours yesterday. Now remember, the market was up yesterday, so everything was, it was happy times. Market was up a lot. They released earnings after hours yesterday. So look at the collapse it had. So when I woke up this morning and I'm looking at the movers, I'm seeing this one. But then when I looked at the analyst upgrades and downgrades that I post in the room every day, this one had 5 downgrades. So on top of the fact that the market, well, remember now, the market at the beginning of the day was fine, but this one was still down. And I finally took a short of a stock that I would not normally do because of the price range, just underneath 150. And I mean, look what it got down to, 136. And I'm totally out of this now, but man, oh man, there were some tremendous moves today. Especially, I have a scan called the 10-day daily breakdown. So many stocks, not only were they doing a 10-day daily breakdown, but they were almost at all-time lows, and we were just picking them off like flies in the trading room. So, again, if you won't short, I have no advice for you. I mean, other than, maybe, there are some reasons why people won't short. Maybe their brokers don't have shorts available. Maybe they've been told that, oh my gosh, shorting is so risky. Well, I can't help you there, but all I'm saying is that, you look at a short like this, so many shorts were available today on stocks that were just getting devastated. Anyway, I do want to get back into the trading room. I'll open the room. That says 9 o'clock. I should probably make a change. I'm now opening the room at 8 o'clock. I'm not on the mic until 9, but I'm actually opening the room now at 8 o'clock. So have a great weekend, everybody.